How to use Facebook Suites. Maybe you are also trying to use Facebook Suites. That's why you are in this video. After watching this video, you will be also able to use Facebook Suites for your business. So hoping that you will watch this entire video and you will be also familiar with Facebook Suites. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial.
If you are too much clever, do subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my computer screen. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how can you use Facebook Business Suite. Facebook Business Suite is known as Meta Business Suite because the parent company of Facebook is renamed, so that's why it is known as a Meta Business Suite right now. So in this video I'm going to teach you all the details and all the things related with Meta Business Suite. How can you use Facebook Business Suite to grow your business? Okay, so you can get lots of features and services in the Facebook Business Suite. So without any delay, let's begin. So with the help of Facebook Business Suite, so now you can see here, you can check the messages. So from the inboxes you can get your client messages, and you can directly check the message. And from the notification, or you can check all the notification related with your Facebook page. Okay, and from the post and storage, you can check your post and storage, and you can check your scheduled post also from here, or you can directly create a new post also from here, or you can directly create a story also from here. So this is one of the useful thing. And if you want to save, or if you didn't save your previous work or post, then you can check in the drafts also. Okay, so this is one of the useful thing. And you can check the feed and grid also, and you can check the Facebook photos, and you can connect your Instagram account also from here, and you can easily check your Facebook photos from here. Okay, and you can check your A/B test also from here, and you can check the mention and tags also from here. Okay, but right now I don't have any mention and tags in my Facebook page. Okay, so another thing is you can use the planner from the Facebook Business Suite. Okay, so using this one you can create the planning. Okay, so if you click here in the create button, you can easily create a planning. Okay, and you can use text, you can do call to action button, and you can do lots of things. Okay, and you can raise your money also, you can share the location, you can use a video, photo, like that in your planner. Okay, so if you are planning to do something, then in that case you can use the Facebook planner. So it is especially telling us that plan your marketing calendar, especially if you are running a Facebook ad campaign, then in that case you can use this planner, and you can create, schedule, and manage your content. Okay, so it's too much easy. Okay, so now we can say there are three options available: the schedule post, schedule story, and create it. So you can use any of them. Okay, so from the ads you can run Facebook ad campaign. Okay, so sometime you have to run your Facebook ad campaign. So now you can see right now I am running a Facebook ad campaign. So from here you can check your Facebook ad campaign. So if I click in the all ads, it will show how many ads you are running right now. So I have running one paid Facebook ad campaign inside my Facebook page. So I'm checking all those things from the Facebook Business Suite or Meta Business Suite. Okay, and from the inside you can check all the activities and all the analytics of your Facebook page. Or so now you can see here it is showing me all the things. Okay, so it is showing me the activities on my Facebook pages, and it is showing me the results, it is showing me the audience feedback and the benchmarking, like that. And from the content you can check your analytics of your contents, how many things or what kinds of things happen inside your Facebook page, you can check from here. And from the content you can check all the things related with your Facebook page. Okay, so if you click in the all tools, so now you can see here you will get various type of the things available: engage audience, and manage, advertise, analyze and report, sell product and services. Various type of the things available inside here, and you can manage and you can check all of them. Okay, so this is all of them are very useful things. You can use any of them to grow your business. Okay, so from the all tools you can create post, story and advertisement, and from the edit button you can use various type of the things in your right section. So now you can see in this time I'm using inbox planner like that. So for example, if I want to use the instant form or ads reporting, then I am just clicking in the ads manager and audience. Okay, so after that just click in the save, and now you can see here all the menus are inserted here. So you can use all of them as per your requirement, and you can edit and you can add or remove the menus in here, okay, in your Facebook Business Suite. So in this way you can easily use Facebook Business Suite to grow your business. So you can sell your product, you can schedule your post, or you can schedule your content, you can create a story, lots of things you can do from here. And you can check, you can do the chat with your customer or client. Okay, and you can check the analytics of your Facebook page, and you can do the instant form, or from here you can choose, or you can create forms and CRM setup also. Lots of things you can do from here. So hoping that you get few ideas. And from the audience you can check all the details related with the audience. Lots of things here. And from the all tools you can use many type of the Facebook Business Suite tools. Okay, so in this way you can easily earn money using Facebook Business Suite. With the help of Meta Business Suite you can grow your business. So hoping that you get few ideas. That's it.
So hoping that now you will be also able to use the Facebook suites, and if you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections, and I'll try to make another new video on the topic of Facebook suites. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.